Hey sweet loves, I am Simply Jordan and welcome to this video. Starting right out the gate with my eyeshadow. This is the Morphe 3502 palette in the shade In the Zone. It's just a really rich chocolate brown shade I'm packing into my lid. Because this is more about the foundation than the whole look, I didn't really do an intro, but we are going to get into all these details. So I'm just taking that dark brown shade and packing that onto my lid. When I'm doing more vivid shade colors, I like to start there and blend up. And this is from that same palette. This is Brick from the 3502 palette. And just taking kind of a dome blending brush and blending those two colors together. I took my time with these because they're so rich. I want to make sure I had a pretty seamless blend, so I'm just blending back and forth. I actually went back into the brown as well and blended those two colors together with this domed brush. And the last shade from that same 3502 palette, I believe it was either Orb or Tan, but it's just a light skin toned color just to kind of blend out that orange I put down into my crease. Alright guys, so we have the eyes, lashes, brows done. I have a kind of just a soft brown smoky eye. These are Kiss lashes in the style Matte Velvet from their Lash Couture line. Really great. Just pick these up at Ulta. Check these out. They had a few other styles. I got another one, but these are really great, so I would try these. I haven't really worn Kiss lashes in a long time, but really love these. Really full, kind of spiky, flirty, really cute. But today we're actually talking about the Huda Beauty Stick Foundation. I got the shade Peanut Butter Cup, and I'm on the Sephora website here. The foundation is described as a lightweight foundation that glides on easily, providing a customizable coverage with natural looking skin-like finish. Really awesome, I think, especially for the warmer months coming. You don't want anything that feels too heavy on your skin, so stick foundations would pretty much be the way to go. At least that's what I plan on doing. Like I said, I got the color Peanut Butter Cup. Now on the website, it's described as deep tan skin with red undertones, but when the associate kind of swatched the color for me, it seems kind of more golden or even a golden neutral, which what I would describe my undertones to be. But I still want to give it a try, see how it works. I wanted to try new stick foundations because y'all know I love my Juvia's Place ones, but I want to try a new one, so we're trying this one. So we're going to try this out. I'm going to do all my skin prep. I'm going to prime, do a little color correcting, and then we're going to give it a shot. So let's get to it. All right, starting to prime with my Urban Decay All Nighter Face Primer. Love, love, love this primer. It feels more like a lotion and it's not super thick, but it keeps my foundation and everything on for a long time. So we're gonna get that on. And using this Morphe M427 brush to spread this out. Now I'm going to take this color corrector. This is from Black Radiance True Complexion HD Corrector. This is the color Salmon. Here's that. Well, you get it. And color corrected, and now for the star of this baby, the Huda Beauty Foundation Stick in Peanut Butter Cup. All right, so we got the first swatch. Let's see how she does. Yeah, I don't see red with that, but we're gonna keep putting it on and see what happens. to blend this out, I think I want to use, let's do the Real Technique Instapop Cheek Brush. Kind of slanted, semi-dense brush. And we're going to buff this out and see how it looks. First layer, I'm not crazy about it, to be honest. But maybe once I add another layer and I start to build it, I'll like it a little more. But let's just keep blending and see. Okay, so that's layer one, pretty much blended. It did say it's a buildable, customizing coverage. So I'm gonna do probably another 1 or 2 layers and blend those out. And then we're gonna see how it works up. The second layer is definitely making it a little better. And I'm starting to see the warmth of it. Still not red, but more of like a warm yellow than a neutral yellow. But it's still very much so workable. I think I'm gonna stop at the second layer and just kind of see how this works with my other concealers. I think I'm gonna use a Too Faced concealer today and go from there. Yeah, I'm still not really seeing red. It's warm, I'll give you that, but I'm not really seeing red. And that could just be me. But yeah, the second layer definitely helped with the kind of coverage that I like. And blend it out pretty nicely. I'm gonna go on doing the rest of my face like I would with my concealer and setting powders and everything. And then we'll see how it turns out. for me, I will need to use a different primer. I did use the Urban Decay All Nighter Face Primer. I think a more pore filling primer like the e.l.f. Putty Primer or any type of pore filling situation would be a lot better. But for the most part, I really like it. It is lightweight, it is skin light. It's not super matte or anything like that. It's pretty much as described. The only thing I disagree with is the color, is that it says online that is a red type of undertone. I saw more of just a warm yellow or a true golden undertone, which is fine with me. I usually like more warm golden tones for me anyway. But pretty much how it works with my powders and everything else, it seemed to, you know, kind of stay in place. Nothing really moved. Everything blends together. I like it. I kind of like how it's sitting. Yeah, so I am going out tonight to see some friends perform, so I will get a good wear test out of it. So we'll see kind of how it holds up. Of course, I'll have on my mask and all that kind of stuff, so we'll also see how it transfers and all that kind of stuff. But I'm gonna try to check in. I don't know what time I'm coming back home tonight, so I'll try to get some footage while I'm out and at the end of the night, so I can see how long I'm out, how long I wear it, and all that kind of stuff. But for right now, pretty good place to start. So I'll check in later. Alright, just checking in. We started everything at 4:30 is when I did my first initial completed look. It's about 7:20 now, so we're at just under the 3-hour mark. And you know, not a whole lot. I did have my glasses on, so you see kind of the indentation of those around my nose. But yeah, I say it's sitting about the same. I did eat earlier, but that's more a credit to my lip color, but the foundation itself really hasn't changed that much. I'm leaving pretty soon to go see my friends perform, but for right now, I guess we're doing okay. Still got to do the mask and make sure, see how that looks, you know, after all of that. But I'll be sure to check in later and continue this wear test. Hi. So here we are. It is officially 12:58 a.m. Pretty much 1 in the morning. And this is my face. It's not terrible. But it's not the best thing ever. I did have on a mask for a very long time, of course, before that. I did eat, did a lot of laughing, little crying, because my friends are amazing, and an artist, and they but this is where we are with my foundation. Like, it's still there, but it's faint. I don't know, I definitely think, like I said in my first clip, after I first put it on, a different primer would make this lay a lot better on my skin. Like, I can really see the texture around here. And that could be the fact that I used a primer that I haven't used in a long time. I used a new color corrector. So it could be a lot of different things, but you know, it's all trial and error. Overall, 1 to 10, I would give it, honestly, I give it like a 7. Like I said, when I first put it on, it was really nice. I liked how it was for the most part. But I don't know if it's something that I would reach for on the regular. You know, it's okay. I think, you know, if I experiment with it a little more, different primers, maybe even different setting sprays or powders and stuff, maybe I can try the Huda primer, because she does have a primer that she released too. I don't know. It's something I can work with. Do I see myself reaching for it a lot? Maybe not. But I don't know. Overall, it was pretty decent for what it was. But I'm all for you trying it for yourself, seeing how you feel about it, you know, looking at more reviews to get a spectrum of what people are feeling. But after all of that, I think you should try any product that you see, you know, other people talking about. You should always try it for yourself, because what somebody hates, you may love. So always go off of your own opinion about what you think you should try. It's your face, it's your skin. What you put on it is really your choice. And don't let it be too swayed by other people's opinions. So
those are my thoughts. I'm going to definitely wash this off now because again, 1 o'clock in the morning and it's time to go to bed. So that's a good 8+ hours because I first put it on, it was like 3 something. And then my finished look was around 4:30. So a good 8 hours of wear. It held up pretty decently. I'm gonna do some experimenting, but tell me your thoughts. Have you tried the foundation stick before? Have you tried the original formula? Because I did hear that she changed that and that's different now. That is something on my list of products to get because I do want to try the just the Huda foundation, the liquid one. But yeah, leave me your thoughts down in the comments below. Of course, like, comment, subscribe, share your thoughts. Tell me what other looks you want to see from me, and I will be seeing you guys really soon. Night night.